Hey everybody, this is Jay's Journey. Back at it again. I just want to, kind of keep people updated on what's been going on with me for the past few days and over the weekend. Not many know that, I had to go to the emergency room because of my blood pressure acting up and blurry vision, just a whole other, just a whole mess of things. So I've literally been stressed out because of my vision not being great, my blood pressure just going haywire, and I've been taking my medicines and I literally started eating healthier. So salads and things like that. So I've been doing a lot better. But I had to, go to the doctor's today and ended up having some news that I wasn't expecting to hear from my doctor. I thought I would have heard, I thought I would have heard about this when I was in the hospital on Friday, and the hospital didn't even tell me nothing about my sugar levels or anything. They said everything looked good. They just don't know why, they just didn't know why. Well, about 20 minutes ago, I went to to go see my doctor, and man, she put like a damper on my parade. And what I mean by that, I mean she just was very blunt about it. Didn't hesitate on telling me, and she told me. But before, they did the finger stick and everything just to check my sugar. And not even 7 minutes later, she came in, she goes, "You're diabetic. And this is your number." And she goes, "That's not good." So, yeah. Very, very surprised that the hospital didn't even tell me about my sugar levels at all. So now I'm going to be on a stricter diet and to get better. And hopefully stop with the medications as well. Hopefully, because now I got to take more pills because of the diabetes. Me being diabetic. So So that is the update. It is confirmed. Now I have two of the worst things out there, almost, you could say, to deal with: blood pressure and diabetes. But I gotta do what I gotta do, and that's how it is. So if anything, I will definitely be doing a live tonight. So 7 p.m. Eastern time. And start going hardcore again. So everybody, God bless. I love y'all. And thank you for the love and support that you give me always. And I'll see y'all tonight. God bless. Bye.